Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said that I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream. Oh, you're still the one I kiss goodnight.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and vow with all that I am and all that I have, I honor you.
Kiara, as your friend, your love beside you and apart from you, in laughter and in tears, in conflict and in tranquility, asking that she be no other than herself, loving what you know of her, trusting what you do not know of her yet, in all the circumstances that life may present to you.
Yeah!